So, what is your first name?
Chris.
All right, Chris. What symptoms first brought you into Palmetto Physical Medicine?
I had pain in my lower back radiating down my leg that I couldn't explain.
Okay. And what was the severity of that as far as a scale from 1 to 10?
It was pretty bad. I know that's subjective. I'd put it at about an 8. It was pretty severe.
Okay. Well, as far as that type of pain and those type of symptoms, how did that affect your daily life?
I tried to adjust and just manage, but pain relievers weren't touching it. I couldn't sit upright in my office chair at work. I'd have to go home from work early repeatedly. I couldn't sit in an upright position for very long. I had to lay down. It was just constant pain radiating down my leg.
Okay. Well, what services did you receive here at PPM?
Well, first of all, just an evaluation to find out what was going on. Physical examination, x-rays, just to diagnose what was going on. And then there was a plan of action laid out for me, which I agreed to. Yeah. And I had pretty intensive physical or occupational therapy, which I learned just was to strengthen the imbalances that were happening. Chiropractic care by Dr. Hanner. I had a bulging disc that was radiating pain down my leg. I had trigger point injections, massage therapy, decompression therapy. I think I got some of all that y'all do.
Got a little of everything.
I did.
All right. Well, what has your experience been like here at PPM?
My wife has even observed this the couple times she's been here, that y'all enjoy what you do. It doesn't feel very clinical like, frankly, most other doctors' offices. It's y'all appear to enjoy working with each other, and you obviously care for your patients. And the experience has been great. It's I told Dr. Hanner that my experience here, I've picked up some of the thinking that you guys have here over the years for complementary medicine, alternative medicine, but you've packaged it in a deliverable that matches with this kind of patchwork of knowledge I've accumulated over the years, and it's really what I've been looking for, and that's one of the reasons I sought you out. I had an inkling of what you did and thought it might be what I was looking for, but it's exactly what I was looking for.
Perfect. All right. Well, how has this experience changed your life?
Within the first week, I was substantially pain-free. I could work. It managed what before was debilitating in a very effective way. And as just with ongoing treatment, I've gotten stronger. I get comments all the time on my posture because I took you seriously. And I'm now make a point of sitting upright, and it stands out, which is kind of strange, but I get comments on my posture. I feel better, partly because of what brought me in the door was the pain and the dysfunction. But what I've morphed into is a change in my lifestyle and thinking, which, again, I knew how to do. I just wasn't doing it.
Gotcha.
But I've got the support from you guys. Karen and I have radically changed how we eat. The exercise piece isn't quite up to speed yet, but we know that's on the way. And I just feel great. I feel really good compared to how I did 2 months ago, certainly.
Outstanding. Well, last question is, would you recommend us to your friends and family?
I already have. A friend of mine who is a severe diabetic and an amputee has come to you guys, and 2 of my family members. And I talk about you a lot. It's natural when something impacts your life and it's made a difference, you talk about it. And that's what I do. I really enjoy being a patient here and look forward to a long relationship.
Outstanding. Thank you so much, Chris. That was all we needed. That was great.
Straight from the heart.
Thank you so much.
That's true.
That was awesome.
Good.
Outstanding. Let me just click stop right here, and then we'll